Hi, welcome to Mad for Mondays. And right here, I have a special guest, and she's going to let you know who she is and where she's from and how she makes a difference in the world.
Hey, I'm Bella Cruz and I'm from San Antonio, Texas, here in Cairo, Egypt. We are really having a great time on this tour. What I do is I'm an enterprise problem solver. I'm an Amazon #1 author, and I help people find their potential, their highest potential, their reason why they exist.
Fantastic. So that's a great thing to think about how to make a difference. Find that reason to why you exist. So, Bella, how do we make contact with you?
I'm at bellacruz.org. That's how you can get a hold of me.
Fantastic. Thank you. Hope you get to make a difference this week too. Speak soon.